after my lungs hurt. Eat your pussy just to show you how my tongue works. It's funny how we fucked but fell in love first. Been 3 years, I wish I finally trust her. She made me
Hey everyone, Mike here with Vernon Signature Audio, and today we have a 28 Jeep Compass, and we do these a lot, and I'm sure we're not the only people that deal with this, because trust me, when I say we do these a lot, we do them a lot. If you're in the heat, then you already know these vehicles, especially in the Chrysler, they come delaminated, real easy to see. You can kind of see the black and then how it gets lighter. You can't really control it very well. It starts jumping all over the place. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take this screen, and we're going to replace it with a new screen digitizer, and get it back on the road. So stay tuned.
One day it all makes sense. It'll all make sense. You can have it all. Tell me what you need. Believe in all them silly things you read. I hope one day it all makes sense. One day it'll all make sense. Now she wake up crying while she putting on her makeup. Trapped inside her love for me. Ain't no escape for her. You wanna leave, say the word, but she can't. Looking in my eyes, is everything okay? She lies, put on her disguise, play it safe. Cause we've been fighting for the past 3 weeks. She keep this one inside, she don't wanna seem weak. Strong, baby, tell me what's been going on. I don't wanna be sober long, so you need to get me high again. I got all this money we could try to spend until we strung out like a violin. Come back to life, then we die again. Little angel, where's your halo? Somewhere above them horns. Something about the pain makes me want more. Done a lot of drugs, never felt like this before. I hope one day it all makes sense. It'll all make sense. You can have it all. Tell me what you need. Believe in all them silly things you read. I hope one day it all makes sense. One day it'll all make sense. You get me high, girl, scared to overdose. I don't sleep much, when I do I'm comatose. May I propose a toast? Someone usually does to her fucked up love. You get me high, girl, scared to overdose. I don't sleep much, when I do I'm...
Everyone, Mike back here with Vernon Signature Audio. As you can see, we've got the screen digitizer replacement done. No more screen doing what it feels like it wants to do. You can go through, adjust everything properly. You know, we can hit the climate control. That's working. We can go to radio. Now the dealership and get this back to the client, and well, actually, dealership and get it sold, right? So remember, if you need something like this done, if you're in our area, not a lot of shops in town will do this. Would have been by quicker, but I noticed the antenna thing was broken, so we had to fix that, right? But other than that, yeah, remember, follow us on the app. Check us out here on the YouTube. And as always, if you would have took this to my cousin, you wouldn't have been getting anything back in this thing, right? So it's not who you know, it's where you go.